Hi guys, it's Dalmatian Productions here bringing you guys another video, and this video I just want to talk about how long I've been a Windows user for. And this is a video that I've been getting a lot of requests on how long I've been a Windows user for, and I've been having some people ask me, were you a Mac user or Linux user or any other thing? And the answer is I've never been a Mac user except for at my school where they have Macs for education because, they do this education discount, but that's for a different video. And basically, I have been a Linux user, but I've ran Linux before, but I ran it on a virtual machine. Pretty much I've been a Windows user all my lifetime. I've been a Windows user since Windows XP because Windows XP was our first operating system, our first computer. We used to have a Dell Dimension. I can't remember the model name because we threw it away a long time ago. And that was our first computer. I have been a Windows user for a really long time. I've never actually switched to a Mac. I've been really wanting to I really want to get a Mac really bad, but they're really expensive. I wish Apple would make them less expensive. And also I want to mention that I have been a Linux user. I have ran Linux before. I just ran it on a virtual machine, like I said. And I've used Windows 7 in the past as well, but I kind of did some stupid shit on it. We used to have an HP as well. We used to have an HP desktop, which a few years later I kind of destroyed it because I was installing a lot of shit on it, like a lot of malware and stuff like that. I had no idea what the fuck I was doing at the time because I was I was acting like a dumbass at the time. I had no idea what the fuck I was doing at the time. And I also want to mention that I've been a Windows 10 user for about almost 5 years now, and it's crazy because, Windows 10 is just the most, the most popular version of Windows now since Windows XP. And I would say right now because, Windows 10, so Windows 10 was actually the last version from Microsoft. I know Microsoft said that Windows 10 is the last Windows version of the Microsoft Windows operating system. Now, I've been hearing people say that Windows 10 will end support in 2025, and actually that is not true. I've been hearing a lot of complaints saying, well, Windows 10 will expire in 2025. Actually, that's not the case anymore. So remember how previous versions, for example, Windows XP had its 10 years of life. It got extended for about 12 or 2 more years, and that ended in 2014. We had Windows Vista, it's had its lifespan. We had Windows 7, it just had its lifespan. And pretty soon we're going to come up to Windows 8.1. Windows 8.1 has about 2 years left. When I'm making this video, it has 2 years left of support. Windows 10 actually doesn't run like how previous versions did, where it used to, Microsoft usually gives it 10 years of support, but Windows 10 actually does not have that 10 years lifespan anymore. So instead of, the typical lifespan, the 10-year lifespan, it's now just considered 18 or 30 months of support. So you're not going to be supported for about 10 years. You're not going to be supported until 2025. It doesn't work like that anymore on Windows 10. In most cases, Windows 10 works as a service now, so like Windows as a service. I can't remember I don't know if that was it or not, but basically what that means is instead of, the typical 10 years that Microsoft used to get, it just gets an update every 6 months, and it gets the support life cycle for that version of Windows 10 resets every time you install a new update. So every time a new update gets released, it resets the support. So I know a lot of people are thinking I'm actually wrong, but actually I'm not. So yes, I have been a Windows user for a really long time. I've been a Windows user since Windows XP. So that's pretty much that. Anyways, guys, that's pretty much going to be it for this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, everybody.